And on these snap together laminate floorings, is that easy to take out, the 3 square feet?
Yeah.
To go down and repair work, or how hard is that to take out and replace planks?
I think most people think that you have to take the whole room apart to get to take one out in the middle. That's not true. That's what's great about the Gorilla Glue. It's warranted to it's from the manufacturer to use as an adhesive to put planks back together. So we can do that. We can take a plank out, you cut it, pull it out, clean it up, cut the tongue off, Gorilla Glue it, put it back in, weight it down, don't walk on it.
I would say that's going to be, call someone in, call us to do that for you before you try and take a plank out of the center of your room, but you could, yeah.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.